my Jeep with 4G on the feed. You remind me of the top down, summertime, you know what it is. You might get some kids if we chill. Girl, you giving me the vibes. I can tell you got a freaky side. Plus you respect it.
Hey guys, so today we're about to cut up this Scooby-Doo shirt. I love it. It caught my eye because of the colors. Of course, I got it from Walmart for $7.98. Yes, it's a 2X. I like it big. And also, I'm going to cut up this Momster graphic tee as well. Same from Walmart as well. You know, your girl love a budget. Got it for $5.98. Yeah, can't beat it. So I got these ideas from TikTok. I'm not sure who exactly came up with it, but yeah, let's get into it. So these are the shirts separated. Right now I'm just gonna get to, cutting. Don't worry about being perfect, okay? Just do what makes you happy, okay? Don't be scared. So that one's just straight down the middle. And for this one, it's a little bit more to it. So we're going to draw a line straight down the middle. But we're not going to go all the way up to the top. The sides. Oh yeah, T&F waist trainer on the waist. Then we're going to go up the side on this one. Now for this part at the top, I just added a little razzle dazzle. Oh, I'm just trying to make sure it's going to look right. But yeah, at the top, I'm just making sure I just add a little bit of extra something. Just to be different. You know, I don't like looking exactly the same. So, and don't mind my wig, y'all. I was going to dress up as Daphne for Halloween. And I was going to try it on, but yeah, whatever. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to stretch out those cuts and add a little, cleavage. And boom, we're done. Go subscribe and like if you want to see more. I'll see you guys later. Mwah.